Web pages can link to Quotidian events, and Quotidian events can link to both web resources and to other events. This video shows some of the ways linking works in Quotidian. A link to an event in a web page, like these links to various kings of England, are added to web pages like other links. They differ in that the URLs start with quotid: rather than http:. This tells the local web browser to use another application, in this case the Quotidian Viewer, to handle the link. Clicking the first link will start the Quotidian Viewer, load the file containing the Kings of England timeline, and move to the event for William the Conqueror. Subsequent links to the same timeline don't have to reload the timeline and just move the display to the event in the link. If we select the event for Queen Elizabeth and pull down the list of links, we see only one link to Wikipedia. Unlike in web pages where an image or piece of text can only have a single link, and that link is defined in the page, many links can be attached to each Quotidian event. In fact, links in Quotidian are first-class objects and can be defined and distributed separately from the timelines and events to which they are attached. This means that anyone can define links from any event, though the timeline file containing the links must still be loaded into the viewer for the links to be visible and usable. One of the example timelines on the Quotidian website contains just links related to the England ruler timeline. When we load it and look again at the links attached to the Queen Elizabeth event, we see that there are now more than 20 links. The links with blue circles are web resources. The yellow triangles are links to other Quotidian events. If we click a link to a Prime Minister, a new timeline is loaded and the display moves to the linked event. There's another kind of linking which is implicit in the Quotidian design. An event can be attached to more than one category. Each attachment of an event is linked to all the others. Here we have a timeline of the American Civil War. As we expand the timescale, we see names of battles appear in order of their relative importance. If we select one of the battles, we find that the top-level event is also attached to a nested timeline of battles in the eastern part of the country. The red triangle next to the category name indicates that the link is an implicit one. If we follow the link, we move to the nested category. Expanding the timescale and XY scale, we see the maps and actions related to that battle. I hope I've shown why the expanded linking built into Quotidian is an important part of exploring the information it presents.